Trying to jump cut scene, first attempt. I'm going to try and put on this blue sweater. 3, 2, 1. What the? Okay. Trying to jump cut scene into this blue sweater. Take 2. 3, 2, 1. What the heck? Well, that just sucked. Wait. You can come say hi? Yeah. Okay. Little Miss Bella Bean decided to come up and say hi. We're gonna try again. Jump cutting scene in the blue sweater. Let's do this again. Oh, hi Bruce.
Cake or spank, it's all up to you. Choose the right path or feel the bruise. Sugar-coated dreams or regrets tank. Life's a game.